You want your students to learn science, to really learn science, not just pass a test. One of the best ways for them to learn is through high-impact labs. Students thrive on the fun, investigative experience that produces real results. But creating an effective lab that successfully meets all three dimensions of the next generation science standards is no easy task. It requires a lot of extra time, preparation, equipment, and expertise on the standards. So we've created Carolina Kits 3D from Carolina Biological Supply Company. Hit the switch to hands-on, minds-on learning that engages your students in every aspect of three-dimensional instruction. Each Carolina Kits 3D includes the materials you need for comprehensive, reliable, and safe learning. The three-dimensional instruction helps your students make sense of phenomena and establish a deep understanding of key concepts. Developed by a world-class team of specialists in science education and instructional design, every kit is packed with the essentials you need to run a successful lab. Quality supplies, print and digital manuals, lesson plans, videos, and assessments for classrooms of at least 30 students. Best of all, the easy-to-follow lesson plans save you time before, during, and after class, so you can spend more time doing what you love, teaching. So let's review. How can Carolina Kits 3D help you run more successful labs? Hands-on, three-dimensional learning, organized, easy-to-follow lab preparations and procedures, supplemental digital materials, and designed to address the NGSS. Take the next step with Carolina Biological Supply Company today and explore the features of a kit that's a perfect fit for your class.